Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best pool filter cartridge is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining a clean and healthy swimming pool. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of pool filtration, specifically focusing on the PA120 cartridge. We'll explore its features, benefits, and how it stacks up against the competition, helping you make an informed decision for your pool's needs. Number 5. Pleatco PA120 Pool Filter Cartridge Replacement. This is a direct replacement for several filter models, including C8412, FC1293, and CX1200RE. It's designed to be a versatile solution, ensuring compatibility with various pool systems. This makes it easy to find the right fit for your needs. The filter has a diameter of 8.9375 inches and a length of 23.25 inches. It features top and bottom hole sizes of 4 inches. The media provides 120 square feet of filtration. This filter features reinforced center cores, superbond bands, and break-resistant end caps. It also includes the Pleatco Smart Tracker for time stamping. These features ensure durability and efficient filtration. It uses Pleatco Pure technology with a free-flow core. This is paired with advanced filtration fabrics. This design maximizes water flow and provides superior cleaning. This product is designed and engineered in the USA. It's made to provide the cleanest water possible. This ensures the health and safety of pool and spa owners. What we like. This filter is a direct replacement for several popular models, ensuring a perfect fit. It features reinforced center cores and superbond bands for durability. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install filter that delivers crystal clear water, you should consider this one. What people say. The filter is easy to install. The filter works great and the water is crystal clear. This filter is a perfect fit and works great. Number 4. FutureWay CCP 420 Pool Filter Cartridges. This filter is a perfect match for various models, including Pentair Clean and Clear Plus 420. It also replaces several other filter brands. You can easily find the right fit for your pool. The filter is tested and certified by NSF International, ensuring the use of safe materials. This certification gives you peace of mind knowing it meets strict safety standards. The tri-lobal pleated design captures significantly more debris than regular filters. It effectively traps leaves, hair, sand, and oils, resulting in cleaner water for your pool. The filter's structure repels large particles, preventing stains. This design allows for easy and thorough rinsing, making maintenance simple. This filter features spunbond polyester and a strong inner core, built to withstand high-pressure water flow. It's a worthwhile investment for your pool, providing lasting performance. Regularly cleaning and reusing the filter cartridge helps minimize water usage. Cleaning it monthly will maximize its effectiveness, ensuring a clean and enjoyable swimming experience. What we like. This filter is NSF ANSI 50 certified, guaranteeing safe materials for your pool. Its unique tri-lobal pleated design captures significantly more debris. If you are looking for a filter that is easy to clean and maintain, this is a great choice. What people say. The filter cartridge is a perfect fit. The product is exactly as described. The filter works great. Number 3. FutureWay C4030 Pool Filter Cartridges. This is a replacement for Hayward SwimClear C4030C, 4025C, 4020 pool filters. It also replaces other brands' filters. This filter ensures your pool water stays clean and clear. The filter is tested and certified by NSF International. It's made with safe materials. This ensures the water in your pool is safe for swimming. The tri-lobal pleated design captures a lot more debris. It efficiently traps leaves, hair, sand, and oils. This helps keep your pool water clean. With its specific dimensions, this filter is easy to install. You won't have to worry about leaks or compatibility issues. It fits perfectly in your filter system. The filter is made with spunbond polyester and a strong inner core. It can withstand high-pressure water flow. This makes it a worthwhile investment for your pool. Regular cleaning and reusing the filter cartridge saves water. Cleaning the cartridge monthly maximizes its effectiveness. This ensures a clean swimming experience. What we like. This filter is NSF/ANSI 50 certified, ensuring safe materials for your pool. The tri-lobe pleated design captures more debris. If you have a Hayward SwimClear filter and want a reliable, easy-to-install replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. They fit perfect and cleaned up nicely. Plug and play, these filters are great, they fit and were double packed so no damage. They fit in my Hayward C4030 housing just fine. Number 2. FutureWay CCP320 Pool Filter Cartridges. This is a perfect match for your Pentair Clean and Clear Plus 320 filter. It replaces multiple other filter models, ensuring compatibility and easy installation. This filter is tested and certified by NSF International. It's made with safe materials, ensuring your pool water stays clean and healthy. The tri-lobe pleated design captures 3 times more debris than standard filters. It efficiently traps leaves, hair, sand, and oils, leaving your pool sparkling. With a 7-inch outer diameter, 3-inch inner diameter, and a height of 20 to 116 inches, it fits perfectly. You can install it easily without any compatibility issues. This filter features spunbond polyester and a strong inner core. It can withstand high-pressure water flow, making it a worthwhile investment for your pool. Regularly cleaning and reusing this filter minimizes water usage. We recommend cleaning it monthly to maximize its effectiveness and ensure a clean swimming experience. What we like. This filter is NSF/ANSI 50 certified, guaranteeing safe materials for your pool. The tri-lobe pleated design captures more debris. If you are looking for a filter that is easy to install and maintain, this is a great choice. What people say. The filter cartridge is a perfect fit. The product is exactly as described and works great. The product arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed. Number 1. FutureWay CC1500E replacement for Hayward XStream. This replacement filter is compatible with various models, including Hayward CC1500 and Pleatco PXSD150. It's designed to fit perfectly, ensuring easy installation and optimal performance for your pool system. With an outer diameter of 8 to 16 inches, an inner diameter of 4 inches, and a height of 23 to 14 inches, it's designed for a perfect fit. You won't have to worry about leaks or compatibility issues. Made from ultrafine and heavy-duty paper with more pleats, it maximizes filtration efficiency. This filter easily removes debris, ensuring your pool stays clean and inviting. Featuring spunbond polyester and a strong inner core, it can withstand high-pressure water flow. This makes it a worthwhile investment, providing long-lasting performance for your pool. Regularly cleaning and reusing this filter cartridge is a simple way to minimize water usage. We recommend cleaning it monthly to maximize its effectiveness and ensure a clean swimming experience. What we like. This filter maximizes filtration efficiency with its ultrafine paper and more pleats. It easily removes debris, keeping your pool clean. If you like a filter that provides powerful filtration and easy installation, this is the perfect option. What people say. This filter was easy to install and I've had 0 issues with it. Works for CC1500. Easy to install, good fit for the filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.